Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that you're first to get my videos. So in today's video, I will be doing another deep fryer. I did one previously and I loved it, but we decided to get this one and try it out. My husband did chicken and fries that day and chicken wings that day. So this is what it is. It's actually a lot wider than the last one that I had, and I'm not sure. It's not deeper. That's the only flaw that we thought maybe we had, and that's just how it looks inside. That's the full container, and then it also come with two separate ones. So like I like my yams for fries, and my kids would eat regular fries, but I use my deep fryer. Hey guys, thanks. If you haven't by now, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for taking the time. Yeah, I will normally use my fryer, which was right there in the back, to do a lot of my food, but sometimes you just want to have fried chicken or fry something. Yes, my husband used organic flour to bread his wings, and this is just what it looks like inside, and it is completed. And these are the oils that we use. I normally use organic, but you need two of these, and we only had one, so he ran down the street and got the other one. So I like this one again because it's wider. It's not as deep as the one that I'll link to this video that I had previously a few years back, but I think the width makes up for the deepness of it. So I think it might be the same, to be honest with you. I don't remember much about the last one because I don't have the manual to it, but we decided we end up donating that one to someone. And this is what the fried chicken looked like, the fried wings. So hope you like it. It's a quick video. So I will link the other one to this one and see which one you like the best. They're all upgraded now, a newer version. Some of them even steam. I think this one steams vegetables and things like that. So anyways, thanks for watching, and let me know what you think. We got this from Walmart, but Amazon ended up shipping it to us, so that was weird. So thanks for watching. Please don't leave without subscribing. Oh, by the way, I think it was like 99 bucks for it. So thanks.